Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check trending hashtags on Instagram, and all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. Then we're going to tap on the search icon. When here we can decide to tap on any post to check their hashtags. Like for this one, I can actually, let's say they're going to check on this post. As you can see, it doesn't have any. We can still decide to check on another post, which is, let's say, this one. As you can see, we don't have any. If we can't find those trending hashtags on any of the posts that we have, we can actually tap on the search bar and tap and search for, let's say, our interests, which is bike. When to tap on search, and from here, I am going to tap on tags. As you can see, we have hashtags that have the same interests as we have. And as you can see in here, we are going to look for the hashtag that has a lot of posts or that is more trending than the others. As you can see, we actually have the first one, which has 67 million posts, and the other one that has 42 million, going down to 20.9, 12. Tap on this one that is at the top, and let's see, I decide to choose one, which is this one. And as you can see, I do have one that has those trending hashtags. Another alternative that we can actually do is we can actually tap on our web browsers. Then we're going to search for trending Instagram hashtags, and from there we can actually decide to choose in website, and it's going to show us the latest website that we can use for our posts in order to have a lot of follows and likes. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.